soft piano melody combined with the sound of ocean waves, peaceful and slow, symbolizing Goa's serene beauty and unity. Light strumming of a Goan mandolin or acoustic guitar to add cultural flavor. Strings by the lands with a soft drum beat, uplifting and inspiring. A steady full rhythm with a gentle tilt tap, adding depth to the lyrics. Both brass instruments, snare drums, and cymbals, triumphant and majestic. Layer the melody with choirs or soft chanting for an emotional effect. The acoustic guitar and flute, representing Goan cultural heritage. Grand and victorious, a cymbal crash followed by fading piano and ocean wave sounds. Sims of a longer outfrost are rasping on the reggae coke can and Tom wet wooing. His camera back is rope or rough, it's just a leather as squamming ups. Steady from a rhythm with a gentle feel pat, adding depth to the lyrics. Both brass instruments, snare drums, and cymbals, triumphant and majestic. Layer the melody with choirs or soft chanting for an emotional effect.